I thank the organizers for having given me this opportunity to share some of my experiences with Panjagavya and drought hardiness for over 20 years. Whenever we talk about organic farming, we used to say before Panjagavya or after Panjagavya. So organic farming before Panjagavya was one thing without much of the tools. But organic farming after Panjagavya, it is with all weapons. How come the Panjagavya, a product of cow, made out of 5 elements, how it makes all the difference, that is what we are going to see. See, a bit of mythology to indicate its ancestry. From time immemorial, this was talked about. Avinmaya Aindunni, that means Panjagavya. Aran Aind Artudal, that Aind means 5, that is 5 elements. Then An Petra Aind Endi, An means cow, Aind means this Panjagavya, 5 elements of the cow. Avil Aind Sugam Dalwan, again. So it shows the deep connection with the ancient past. So these are all the different methodologies, different versions, different rishis, different sages. They have given a different formula for spiritual purposes. Now, Dr. Natarajan, MBBS, he started applying this Panjagavya, this mythological product, onto crops, human and animals. I was associate for about 10 years with him, because he belongs to my native, and we have researched. We have taken this material to the university to find exactly how it works in the plant system, what is the metabolical process in which it passes through the plant kingdom and makes all the difference. So here there are 2 types of preparation. There's some samhara krama means anything destructive. This Srishti Krama means it is something for growth and development. There are 2 aspects of this Panjagavya. The way you prepare, materials are same. When the materials, when it is added in sequence, if the sequence is followed in one way, it acts as a disinfectant. If it is exactly opposite, it supports growth and development. And again, each component, milk, curd, ghee, urine and dung, these are the 5 elements from the desi cow, the cow with the hump. I don't mean all Jersey or hybrids. Any breed across the world with a hump, it is supposed to be the cow. So from the cow, the 5 items are selected, and each item is attributed to one of the sages. And again, out of different colored animals, each item is identified with one color. That is what given in the picture. Say, when from mythology, when it was taken out and started applying on crop, plant and animals, we did lot of research, lot of experimentation, and based on the feedback from the field workers, this formula, this combination found to be too good for all the 3 areas, human, animal and plants. So these are all the chemical combination that you can go through. And in the university, through my MSc and PhD students, I have studied this effect of Panjagavya on the plant system, on various crops, flower, vegetables, oil seeds and all. Say, the first and foremost effect is the hardiness for drought. Extreme drought, whether it is paddy or sugarcane or whatever it may be the crop, when the Panjagavya is sprayed or administered either in the soil or as a foliar spray, in whatever form you apply, the first thing is drought hardiness. Even if the field goes dry for weeks together, it gives the sustenance for the plant to withstand the drought. Then early flowering. So this is the most dynamic physiological factor in any plant. So from vegetative getting into reproductive phase means it's all hormonal dance. So this total hormonal dance makes from vegetative to reproductive that the earliness, a month, a week, a fortnight, that earliness it ensures. Then extended shelf life. That means double the days. If it is 1 week, normal 2 week, 1 month, 2 months. So that way, another observation we have made. Then retention of flavor and aroma even after cooking. Any type of cooking, roasting, frosting, or smoking, whatever may be the type of cooking, the products are able to retain flavor and aroma. Then good seed fill. That means if a gunny of 65 bags, if it is filled with Panjagavya spread material, the same gunny, the same value, it will weigh 90 kilos. So we have tested with different balances to check the fact. How come the seed fill is so good when the Panjagavya is applied? Then tolerant to pest and diseases. So these are all the crop details. Let me not, because I have been given time only 15 minutes. The crop I am skipping, and you can go through in the slides if it is communicated. Say, one thing which puzzled me, when cow dung and urine alone is used, it acts as a disinfectant. That is what we do in every household, every morning, every day. But when 5 things are combined, its activity, its orientation is just opposite. It supports growth. How come? This is one area we need to explore. Say, earlier we thought it was mediating through nutrition, it was mediating through water, it was mediating through hormone. This and that we have explored. We have given the sample to NABL laboratory for analysis, and they have given that, so they are not able to attribute all the physiological expressions due to this particular reason, that particular reason, that particular reason. They are not able to attribute. That question was not answered. Then I have an experience with Siddha people of this Tamil Nadu at various levels, from traditional healers to Siddha MD doctors and all. So in Siddha system, there is one thing called muppu, that is trisalt. The trisalt, it is an alchemical substance. It can convert any metal to any other higher metal, from iron to gold. That is the philosopher's stone that the Siddha used to prepare and add it to pinhead size to every medicine they prepare to increase the potency. That trisalt, they collect it from 3 different regions. One is they call Shiva salt, another is Shakti salt, third one is Nandi salt in the terminology. Shiva salt is being collected wherever the dhobies are washing the cloth with salt collected from the soil. So from that periphery, the Shiva salt is collected. The Nandi salt, whenever the animals are grazing in the field, sometimes they used to lick the rock. That rock, it is sodium hydroxide, maybe something salt tasty, so that salt they collect. These 2 salts are available anytime, anywhere. But the Shakti salt, it is available only on Chitra Purnami day, that too in 120 places in India, in Tamil Nadu, Pudukkottai, Vellar river basin. So all the Siddhas who prepare this muppu medicine, they used to wait there from 12 to 3 a.m. to collect it. It will be frothing from the soil. So they collect it. So all the 3, they have to combine it together without any chemical reaction. It should not get into the 4th compound. So that is that mind, their soul, the whole yoga strength, everything is involved in that. Here, what is interesting here is what is called a Shakti salt, the Pune, which is used in preparation of alchemical substance. It is available in the cow's urine. So that is a very striking factor. Then, if you refer to Gujarat Agriculture University literature on the biotechnology department, they have made a publication. they have analyzed around 50,000 samples of urines of different animals. Only in Desi cow animals' urine, they found the ions of gold. Junagadh Agriculture University, if you Google it, that article will come. They have identified the ions of gold in the cow's urine. That from the scientific version. From the Siddha side, they say the punir is the one of the component in the alchemical substance. Then punir is available in the cow's urine. From here, let us get into the Panjagavya. That means it has the potency of this gold, ions of gold, and that is why we never get any result out of any laboratory analysis, because it is neither nutrient nor hormone, none of the physical components. It is a potentiator. It is a totipotency factor. In a cell, the biological efficiency of the cell may be different during different stages of the plant. It enhances the potency of the plant cell and cell structure, cell organisms, so that its efficiency is more. So what this Panjagavya does is, it is enhancing the totipotency of a particular plant cell or animal cell or human cell. So that is where the Panjagavya acts. This is one part. There are issues to be addressed by the scientific community, and already ministry has taken it up, and through Department of Science and Technology they are also at it. The one is the cosmic relevance of this Panjagavya. Say 5 elements, the 5 Buddhas there is an interconnect. That interconnect need to be explored. Then we know the lunar and solar effect on the crop growing system or human system, or anything that is visible. The same way, when the sun moves from the equator to line of Cancer and line of Capricorn, when it moves away, it loses its energy, and when it starts moving towards the equator, it gains energy. That's why Adipatam, Thaipatam, we fix it for sowing issue. Say, this lunar systems, when the 5 elements are collected during Nil Moon day, what happens? When the 5 elements are collected and mixed together on full moon day, what happens? In different phases, 15 days phases, if it is combined, that needs to be explored further. Then the particular breed, say there is one Karambasu with all 16 virtues. Not all black cows are Karambasu. Karambasu has got 16 qualities. That 16 symbols are there in the animal. We say, suppose if the material is taken from that Karambasu, what is the effect? And if it is collected from different colored animal, how the potency is getting altered. And then Yamadagni sage, he is prescribing one method. Parasara, he prescribes some other method. So what is the basic difference between what is the commonality between two systems needs to be explored. Then the urine collected, the first urine in the day, or the cow may be the first lactation or second lactation or third lactation or fourth lactation. Which one is best? Which one contains more potency? That also needs to be explored. And then the 5 products collected from the animals with the hump and without hump, that needs to be explored. So like the A1, A2 milk, the protein is 3.5% only. When the protein is analyzed in the molecule, say 2 molecules in Desi milk and hybrid animal milk, it's all lot of difference are there. So in the same way, product collected from animal allowed for grazing or product collected from animals from stall fed. So these are all the issues to be further explored. So now the Government of India has rightly initiated this process, and the work has been assigned to various institutions, and the work is going on. So at the end of the day, India is going to do just like yoga. another potential weapon for inside and outside issues through this Panchagavya. I think time is up, and any questions I'll be happy to answer.
Long live India and France friendship.